How to send BNB from Bybit to Metamask. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to see a step-by-step guide on how you can easily send BNB from Bybit to Metamask. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you're logged into your Bybit account and your account is verified. Now you're going to have to check your BNB, so in order to check that, head over to the Asset tab at the bottom right corner of your Bybit. And once you get here, you can just click on the Withdraw option. And then from there, you can just search for BNB and then select the coin. Now you're gonna have two options, on-chain and internal transfer. You want to do the on-chain transfer, and there you need an address, a network type, and the amount. In order to get the address, you're gonna have to open up your Metamask, and once you are here, you can just make sure to select the BNB tab. So click on the drop down on the top of your screen on the center where it says base, and you can tap on it and select BNB Smart Chain from there. If you don't see it, you can click on Add Network and add the network manually. Now all you have to do is click on the BNB token, and then you can tap on Receive, and you'll get your wallet address right here. Now just copy the address, go back to Bybit and paste the address here. Then you can select your network type as BSC BIP20 and enter your minimum amount. Now you can just click on the withdraw option and you should be able to send BNB from your Bybit to your MetaMask account. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.